Alright, so whenever you are happy with your page, the design of your page, the buttons have been connected or whatever, right? So whenever you are satisfied that okay, now I am good and happy and satisfied with my page, so all that you need to do is you need to click on, let's say, you can come back of this, and you can click on the deploy button. Okay, so let's say if I click on deploy, so this page is now going to go into a project. So let's say you can select any project that you already have inside your FlexiFunds account. You can give your page a name, let's say astrology, or let's say page publish demo, and in this case this was an astrology page, right? And maybe this is a sales page, so I'm gonna select that and I'm gonna click on publish, right? So depending upon what your page is, you can select a project, and inside the project you can publish the page, and the page is going to be deployed over there. It will take a few seconds, and the page is going to be added over there, right? I will just show you in the next video.